Hello everyone. Welcome to today's Hindi literature lesson. In this video, we will learn the beautiful poem Atmatran. This poem teaches us importance of courage, self-confidence, patience, and faith in God during difficult times. The poet does not ask us an easy life. Instead, he asks for the strength to face every challenge bravely. So let's understand the poem stanza by stanza in simple English. Part Pravesh, that is lesson introduction. This part Pravesh teaches students an important life lesson. Success comes through our own effort and hard work. Other people can support, encourage, or bless us, but finally, we must do the work ourselves. Example of swimming. The writer says that if a person wants to learn swimming, others may stand nearby to help or guide him. But he can become a swimmer only when he moves his own hands and feet in the water. Meaning, help from others is useful, but personal effort is necessary for success. Example of examination. Before going for an examination, students take blessings from elders. Elders give their good wishes and encouragement, but the exam must be written by the student himself. Meaning, blessings and support are important, but success depends on one's own preparation, hard work. Example of wrestling. When two wrestlers fight, the audience cheers for them. This increases their confidence and motivation, but the wrestlers must fight match themselves. Encouragement from others gives strength, but every struggle in life must be faced personally. The poet believes that God is capable of doing everything. Still, he does not want God to do all his work for him. Instead, the poet wishes to face difficulties, problems, and struggles by himself. He wants God to give him courage, confidence, and strength, not an easy life without effort. The central message of the poem is a person should become self dependent and brave. One should not fear difficulties but should face them with determination and hard work. This poem was originally written in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore and later translated into Hindi by Acharya Hazari Prasad Dwivedi. The translation is considered excellent because it keeps the true feelings and spirit, that is the soul of the original poem, alive. A good translation is one that preserves the original emotions and meaning of the writer. आत्मत्राण. विपदाओं से मुझे बचाओ, यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं, केवल इतना हो करुणा में, कभी न विपदा में पाऊं भय। दुख ताप से व्यतीत चित्त को न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही, पर इतना होवे करुणा में, दुख को मैं कर सकूं सदा जय। विपदाओं से मुझे बचाओ, यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं. The poet says that he does not pray to God to save him from difficulties and problems. केवल इतना हो करुणामय. He only asks the compassionate God for one thing. कभी न विपदा में पाऊं भय. The poet prays that he should never feel afraid during difficult situations. दुख ताप से व्यतीत चित्त को न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही. Even if his mind becomes troubled because of sorrow and pain, he does not ask for comfort or sympathy. पर इतना होवे करुणामय. He only requests one blessing from God. दुख को मैं कर सकूं सदा जय. He wants the strength to overcome sorrow and difficulties successfully. कोई कहीं सहायक न मिले तो अपना बल पौरुष न हिले. हानि उठानी पड़े जगत में, लाभ अगर वंचना रही, तो भी मन में ना मानो शय. कोई कहे सहायक न मिले. Even if nobody comes forward to help him in difficult times, तो अपना बल पौरुष न हिले. His courage, confidence, and inner strength should not weaken. हानि उठानी पड़े जगत में, लाभ अगर वंचना रही. Even if he suffers losses and gets cheated in the world instead of receiving benefits, तो भी मन में ना मानो शय. He should never consider himself weak or defeated in his mind. मेरा त्राण करो अनुदिन तुम, यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं, बस इतना होवे करुणामय, तैरने की हो शक्ति अनामय। मेरा त्राण करो अनुदिन तुम, यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं. The poet says that he does not pray to God for protection every day. बस इतना होवे करुणामय. He only asks for one blessing from the compassionate God. तरने की हो शक्ति अनामय. He wants the strength and ability to cross the difficulties of life successfully. मेरा भार अगर लघु करके न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही, केवल इतना रखना अनुनय, वहन कर सकूं इसको निर्भय। मेरा भार अगर लघु करके न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही, even if God does not reduce his burdens and problems, it is acceptable. केवल इतना रखना अनुनय, he only makes one humble request. वहन कर सकूं इसको निर्भय. He should get enough courage to carry all responsibilities and hardships fearlessly. नत शिर होकर सुख के दिन में, तब मुख पहचानो छिन छिन में, दुख रात्रि में करे वंचना मेरी, जिस दिन निखिल मही, उस दिन ऐसा हो करुणा मैं, तुम पर करूं नहीं कुछ संशय. नत शिर होकर सुख के दिन में, during happy times, the poet wants to bow his head with gratitude and humility. तब मुख पहचानो छिन छिन में. He wants to remember and recognize God at every moment. दुख रात्रि में करे वंचना मेरी, जिस दिन निखिल मही. Even if the whole world abandons or deceives him during difficult times, उस दिन ऐसा हो करुणामय. On such difficult days, he prays to the compassionate God, तुम पर करूं नहीं कुछ संशय. He should never lose faith or develop doubt in God.